लास्ट क्लास में हम लोगों ने सेट्स का बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ा था। आज शॉर्टकट में इसे रिवाइज करेंगे और फिर टाइप्स ऑफ सेट्स पढ़ेंगे। सेट इज अ वेल डिफाइंड collection of elements represented by curly bracket. If A is a set of elements containing x, y, z, then A can be written as x, y, z or x, z, y or y, z, x or yxz or zxy or zyx. That means order of element does not matter. सेट्स में एलिमेंट्स का ऑर्डर बदलने से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, किसी भी ऑर्डर में लिखें ये सेम सेट्स हैं। Second, repetition of elements does not matter. अगर हम किसी सेट में x को कई बार लिख दें, y को कई बार लिख दें, तो इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। These sets are same. इन सेट्स में कोई फर्क नहीं है, इसमें हम सिर्फ x को एक बार लिख सकते हैं। x सेट A का एलिमेंट है, इसे रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए x belongs to, this symbol is for belongs to। अगर कोई सेट B हम और ले लें यहां पर 1 2 3, clearly x is not in B, this represented by x does not belongs to B. This symbol stands for does not belongs to. Now 1 is in B but 1 is not in A, therefore 1 does not belongs to A but 1 is in B. Now types of sets: finite sets and infinite sets. Finite sets, that means number of elements is finite. ऐसे sets जिसमें number of elements fixed और finite हो. Example, A is equal to x, y, z. There exist 3 elements in this set. Therefore, this is a finite set. यहां पर इस सेट में नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स 3 हैं, तो इसे हम लिख सकते हैं नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन सेट A is equal to 3 and this is represented by NA. It is also called order of the set A. Order of the set A. Order of the set A. Or it is also known as cardinal number of set A, represented by this symbol. Cardinal number of set A. Cardinal number of set A. Therefore, cardinal number of set A is equal to order of set A is equal to number of elements in this set A. Infinite sets, that sets which contains infinite number of elements. Example, this set of natural numbers, it contains infinite number of elements 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. Here the number of elements in set n is equal to infinite, that means n number of elements in set n. It is equal to order of the set n is equal to cardinal number of the set n. Now we'll start the types of finite sets. First finite set is empty set, which is also known as null set or void set. A set which contains no element, that means number of the elements in set E, that means empty set, is 0. It is represented by only curly bracket, no element in this set, or 5. Example, a set of a negative natural number. कोई भी नेचुरल नंबर नेगेटिव नहीं होता, तो इस सेट में कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं आएगा, तो दिस इज एम्प्टी सेट. सेकंड, सिंगलटन set. A set containing exactly one element is known as singleton set. Example, a real number which is neither positive nor negative. That means 0. 0 is a real number which is neither positive nor negative. Therefore, it is a singleton set. अब एक सेट में बहुत प्रॉब्लम आती है, सेट कंटेनिंग 5. ये कैसा है, सिंगलटन है या एम्प्टी है? अगर अकेला कर्ली ब्रैकेट हो तो ये एम्प्टी सेट है, अकेला 5 हो तो ये एम्प्टी सेट है, लेकिन सेट के अंदर 5 आने से मतलब है कि 5 अब इस सेट का एक एलिमेंट हो गया. 5 is a element of this set. Therefore, this set is a singleton set. Set containing 5 is a singleton set. Equal sets. Two sets X and Y are said to be equal if and only if every element of first set is in second set and every element of second set is in first set. Example, X is a set of X. X is a letter of the word follow. and Y is a set of X where X is a letter of the word flow. Then X contains F, O, L. सेकेंड एल लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, एलिमेंट रिपीट करने से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। O भी रिपीटेड है, W एंड सेट Y इज F, L, O, W. Clearly, every element of first set is in second set and every element of second set is in first set. Therefore, X will be equal to Y. Now, if X is equal to Y, then number of elements in X will be equal to number of elements in Y. But converse need not be true. Example, if A is a set of X, Y, Z and B is a set 1, 2, 3, then number of elements in set A is equal to number of elements in set B, but set A is not equal to set B. If number of elements of two sets are equal, then these types of sets are called equivalent sets. That means those sets whose number of elements are equal are called equivalent sets. NA is equal to NB, then A and B are said to be equivalent sets. That is, order of A is equal to order of B. That is, cardinal number of A is equal to cardinal number of B, and therefore equivalent sets are also called cardinally equivalent sets. Cardinally equivalent sets.